Watch how easy it is to make juice grooves into cutting boards with this simple jig. The Crafted Elements fully adjustable juice groove jig works with any common router to make creating juice grooves in cutting boards or decorative lines in cabinet door panels a breeze. It's crafted out of 3/4 inch engineered ultra-core plywood to stay flat and rigid during use. It's capable of expanding from 16 by 8 inches up to 26.5 by 18.5 inches in size to accommodate a wide range of project sizes. The practical design features adjustment channels with commercial-grade 6mm threaded set screws and M6 tightening knobs to make changing the size of the jig a seamless operation. Once you have placed your workpiece and offset wood spacers, square up and tighten the jig, then clamp it down to your workbench or T-track table. Grab your router with a rounded bit and drag it around the inside perimeter of the jig, keeping contact with the interior walls. The whole process takes just minutes and greatly reduces the chance for errors or having to mess around with homemade solutions. Plus, it's not just for cutting boards. You can use this jig to create grooves and reliefs in cabinet doors and other projects with the same simplicity and ease. This is one of those practical, regularly used shop jigs that you wonder how you ever did without. You can save $20 off of the regular price of this jig, but it's only for a limited time, and only at craftedelements.com.